Hey everyone, what's up? It's me Ken, or Kinito by the way. I'll be doing, for the first time in my TikTok career, a review on a skincare set. So today, I'll be doing this Brilliant Skin Essentials CEO Squad Glow Kit. This is their newest release on the skincare set. And what I love about this, they have this, not specified naman, but like it's also advisable for travelers or those who are always on the go because of its main components. And I'm excited to try this out because I've known Brilliant Skin Essentials for their rejuvenating sets. It's quite refreshing that they have released new products for like gentler products for your skin's needs. So of course, if you're a skincare junkie, you know by now the basic steps of skincare, which is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and so on and so forth. But you can add naman if you're like super, into it. With the CEO Squad Glow Kit, may 4 steps siya. So basically quad. If you know quad. I'm not gonna explain that kasi may online class naman kayo. So, ang first step niya is yung foaming facial cleanser wash, and then the micellar deep cleansing water, the Nathan Lift facial serum. Excited about this. And then the sunscreen gel cream, which I think you can skip naman when you do it at nighttime. Ang problema ko lang ngayon is paano ko siya bubuksan kasi sayang yung carton eh. Pero anyways, patanda na kayo. Kaya nyo na to i-figure out. Now, nakuha ko na siya. We're gonna start with this facial cleanser. Hindi pa ako naligo, hindi pa ako nagkilamos. So, as you can see that this is the bare face. I just woke up. Also, may ano siya dito. May silicone brush. Micro brushes that you can use to, scrub off your face. Kailangan mo siyang push ng madami hanggang sa may lumabas. Like that. And then do, gentle circular motions. Sobrang gentle ng micro brushes niya sa face mo. Tapos parang nagmamassage ka talaga. So nice feeling. So I rinsed off my face and I'm kind of like surprised talaga sa output niya kasi most sabon or most facial wash, they would leave you a stripped off feeling. Pero eto, it leaves my skin moisturized and super lightweight lang. Now after washing your face, we'll use this micellar water as toner. Konti lang ilagay mo sa cotton pad, tapos gentle upward strokes. Huwag mong i-scrub kasi hindi to cleanser. Toner to. Now, the fun part is yung serum. Few drops lang daw sa face. Tapos, massage it lang gently. Huwag mo masyadong bilisan. Gentle lang. Nasa last part, I'll be using the sunscreen gel cream since umaga naman ngayon. Apply liberally all over your face daw. Gano'n lang kabilis gamitin na skincare set na to. If I'm gonna give an honest review, I would say this is very gentle for sensitive skin. But it's too early to give it a 10 over 10 because first time ko pa lang naman gamitin. So I'll give you an update after a week with a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!